Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is statement of shareholder equity. By the end of this talk, we will be familiar with statement of shareholder equity, listing how much the business is worth after expense paid is valuable for planning purpose. A statement of shareholder equity can tell you if you should borrow more money to expand, whether you need to cut costs, or whether you'll make a profit on a sale. Before starting presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhibi Anwar Soleh, usually called Muhibi, the student of accounting program Faculty of Economic of Sultan Agung Islamic University, Semarang, Indonesia. I began explaining what is statement of shareholder equity. Then I mentioned structure of statement of shareholder equity. After that, I show how to calculate stockholder equity. Next, I show example of stockholder equity. Finally, I summarize my presentation. My talk shall take about 10 minutes. Please feel free to interrupt me at any time with question. Don't worry about taking notes. You can download my PPT at video description. Okay, first the definition, which include understanding from various sources. I began explaining what is statement of shareholder equity. Then I mentioned structure of statement of shareholder equity. After that, I show how to calculate stockholder equity. Next, I show example of stockholder equity. Finally, I summarize my presentation. My talk shall take about 10 minutes. Please feel free to interrupt me at any time with question. Don't worry about taking notes. You can download my PPT at video description. Okay, next second, the structure, which contains 6 structure. I began explaining what is statement of shareholder equity. Then I mentioned structure of statement of shareholder equity. After that, I show how to calculate stockholder equity. Next, I show example of stockholder equity. Finally, I summarize my presentation. My talk shall take about 10 minutes. Please feel free to interrupt me at any time with question. Don't worry about taking notes. You can download my PPT at video description. Okay, next, how to calculate. I began explaining what is statement of shareholder equity. Then I mentioned structure of statement of shareholder equity. After that, I show how to calculate stockholder equity. Next, I show example of stockholder equity. Finally, I summarize my presentation. My talk shall take about 10 minutes. Please feel free to interrupt me at any time with question. Don't worry about taking notes. You can download my PPT at video description. And finally, then is example. I began explaining what is statement of shareholder equity. Then I mentioned structure of statement of shareholder equity. After that, I show how to calculate stockholder equity. Next, I show example of stockholder equity. Finally, I summarize my presentation. My talk shall take about 10 minutes. Please feel free to interrupt me at any time with question. Don't worry about taking notes. You can download my PPT at video description. Okay, the definition. Let's begin with the definition of statement of shareholder equity. What is statement of shareholder equity? A company statement of shareholder equity is a financial statement that shows the change in a company equity during a reporting period. The statement of shareholder equity includes information about the company beginning shareholder equity, change in shareholder equity during the reporting period, and the company ending shareholder equity. The statement of shareholder equity is important because it shows how a company equity has changed over time and can be used to help investors understand a company financial condition. Another meaning, stockholder equity, also referred to as shareholder or owner equity, is the remaining amount of assets available to shareholder after all liabilities have been paid. It is calculated either as a firm total asset less its total liabilities or alternatively as the sum of share capital and retained earning less treasury shares, stockholder equity, make in pot common stock, paid in capital, retained earning, and treasury stock. Conceptually, stockholder equity is useful as a means of judging the fund retained within a business. If this figure is negative, it may indicate an oncoming bankruptcy for this business, particularly if there exists a large debt liability as well. That's all I have to say about the definition of statement of shareholder equity. I began explaining what is statement of shareholder equity. Then I mentioned structure of statement of shareholder equity. After that, I show how to calculate stockholder equity. Next, I show example of stockholder equity. Finally, I summarize my presentation. My talk shall take about 10 minutes. Please feel free to interrupt me at any time with question. Don't worry about taking notes. You can download my PPT at video description. Okay, now we'll move on the structure of statement of shareholder equity. The report is typically set up in a grid pattern, with the beginning balance in each element of equity stated across the top, addition to and subtraction from the beginning balance in the middle of the report, and ending balances at the bottom that incorporate the addition and subtraction. The same format shall be used in all subsequent periods. The profit report distinct consistence to the reader. The column in the matrix may contain several of the following items. The first, common stock, preferred stock, retained earning, tertiary stock, accumulated, other, comprehensive income, total column. There may also be a separate column listing the number of shares of common stock at the beginning of the period. Any adjustment to that number during the period and the number of shares of common stock at the end the period, the approach may apply to separate additional column for other classes of preferred stock. There will be grand total figures and the top and bottom of the metric for the total amount of beginning and ending shareholder equity. Alternatively, the statement call present a single column of number, beginning with the total shareholder equity from all sources at the top, then adjusting for any change during the period and ending with the total shareholder equity from all sources at the bottom. Okay, first common stock at the sales of common stock during the period. Common stock is a security that represents ownership in a corporation. Shareholder common stock select board of directors and vote on corporate policy. This form of equity ownership typically yield higher return long term. Common stock represents a residual claim to a company owing a further profile. As such, shareholders are said to be part owners in a company. This does not mean that shareholders can well into a company office and claim ownership of a portion of the chair of desk or computer. These things are owned by the corporation itself, which is a legal entity. Instead, the shareholder on the residual claim. Common stock is traded on exchange and may be bought and sold by investor or trader. Shareholder of common stock may be entitled to receive dividend. This type of stock or ownership stake a company that come with voting right on corporate decision. Common stockholders are lower down on the list of priorities when it comes to pay equity holder. If a company needs to liquidate, holder of common stock will get paid after preferred stockholder and bondholder. Like preferred stock, common stock is typically listed on the statement of shareholder equity per value. Second, preferred stock. A special ownership stake in the company net profits. Holder with a higher claim of a company's earning that common stockholder. They have a higher claim to dividend or asset distribution. Companies report preferred stock at par value, which in the issue or redeemable amount. Preferred stockholders have no voting right in the company. Stability and predictability in future dividend. This is a special type of stock or ownership stake in a company that offer holder a higher claim on a company earning and asset that those who own the company common stock. Preferred stockholder will typically be entitled to dividend before holders of common stock can receive theirs. Preferred stock is usually listed on the statement of shareholder equity at par value or face value, which in the amount at which is usually or redeemable. Holder of preferred stock do not have voting right in the issue company. Retained earning are the total accumulated earning of a company after it had distributed dividend to its shareholder. It is the net income that a company has reinvested for expansion, to the purchase of property, plant and equipment, mergers, or to pay its debt. A company that has been consistently profitable will reflect a large retained earning account. Retained earning are the total earning a company has brought in that have not yet been distributed to shareholder. This figure is calculated by subtracting the amount paid out in shareholder dividend from the company total earnings since inception. A company that's been profitable for quite some time will probably show a large amount of retained earning. Fourth, treasury stock. When a company repurchases its issue stock, it reports in under treasury stock. Companies repurchase stock repatriate capital to shareholder, and often it is a signaling tool that the management team think the stock is cheap. The shareholder equity will decrease when the amount used to repurchase treasury stock. Treasury stock is stock that the using company repurchases. A company make repurchase its own stock in an attempt to avoid a hostile takeover or boost in stock price. Stakeholder equity is reduced by the amount of money spent to repurchase the share in question. 5. Accumulated other comprehensive. Report gains or losses on the revaluation of certain asset or liabilities, unrealized gain or losses. Often when the gain or loss is crystallized into cash, the amount is removed from other comprehensive income loss account and put through the income statement. Unrealized gain and loss reflect the change in pricing for investment, and unrealized gain occur when investment gains in value put has been cashed in. Similarly, an unrealized loss occur when an investment loss value put has yet to be sold off. 6. Total column. Well, I've told you about the structure of statement shareholder. Here we can see how to calculate stockholder equity. Shareholder equity formula is total asset minus total liabilities. Total asset include current and non-current asset. Current asset are asset and can be converted to cash within a year. As cash, account receivable, inventory. Long-term asset are asset that cannot be converted to cash or consumed within a year. Investment, property, plant, and equipment, and intangible, such as patent. Let me turn now to example about statement of stakeholder equity. Example of statement of shareholder equity. See the picture on the slide is between 2012 and 2011. Total shareholder equity which market 2012 is 191.588, which is opening accumulated other comprehensive income, retained earning, treasury stock, an alternative calculation of company equity is the value of share capital and retained net earning as the value of treasury shares. Stockholder equity is an effective metric for determining the net worth of a company, but it should be used in tandem with analysis of all financial statements, include the balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Just to summarize the main point of Metal, financial statements are an important source of information for the external stakeholder as well as for general shareholder. Shareholder equity statement is an important financial document that forms part of the company financial statement and is closely tracked to understand the business equity transaction in capital infusion, dividend outflow, repurchase of shares, its further. This statement also help analyze owners' contribution the business total asset as the business assets are funded with a combination of liabilities and shareholder equity. Declining shareholder equity and increasing debt component is a classic set of external stakeholder to get alert about the prospect of the business with other things being equal. This shareholder equity is one of the many financial documents which an investor, a potential investor, shall review to make informed investment decision. Okay, next reference corporate the financial institute and VA training free research accounting statement shareholder equity last accounting tools. I thank you all for paying such attentive audience. There are any question? Thank you.